Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Stefanos Piponco, and I will be dance instructor for today. And now, I will teach you on how to dance the Bach Girl dance craze. Are you ready? I can hear you. Come on, speak up. Why? Shy? Bitch. Okay, let's start. Let's begin to this dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then, kailangan meron tayo ditong couch. So, dadampa, ay hihiga na lang. Tapos itataas na ganyan ang paa. Ito pedal. This is the pedal step. Pag narinig nyo na ako kumakantang tulad ito. Yan. Tsaka tayo tatayo. At mag-pop, pop, down, up, down. Then, that's parang the bong-bong cheering squad dance. Then, jump. Okay. Clap your hands. Then, turn around. 1 at a time. Then say okay. Then dig. This is the big steps. Double. Then ganyan. Hindi ko alam to. Then side. Then pump. Then clap your hands. Buka mga pa. Pop. Pop. Down, pop, up, down. Then, tapos ganun ulit. Back to the start lang naman ng mga dance steps dito. Hindi masyadong radikal. Hindi ka tulad mga dance steps. Ano ba dyan? Hinga lang ka. Bend. Dig again. Kaya maganda-gandahan nyo na lang to. Pagka-friction, ganyan. Did you get it? Then, yan. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, pop. Up, down. Turn around. Bend na nagmamarch. Kailangan pila-pila kayo dito. Okay? Woo! Ikot. Kailangan makita ang heel. Ganyan. Up lang ang kamay. Parang Hitler. Pero dalawang kamay. Okay. Tapos close fit pero nagbe-bend ng pagganito. With matching. Pitik-pitik. Fingers. And of course, yan. Okay. Tapos buka mga paa. Pitik lang. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Tandaan na lang yung tugtog. Ganyan lang. Ay, nako. Nakakapagod palang magturo ng sayaw. Ang sakit-sakit ang legs ko. Pero I've enjoyed. So, see you next time dito lang sa Char Char at my home. Bye! Lande!
It's my